Blooming Butterfly, a fun-filled interactive and engaging series. Hi everyone! In the previous video, we learned the letter E. Now it's time to learn the letter F. The sound of F is F. F, F. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flowers. Fish, frog, flowers. Let's see what the frog and fish are up to. Isn't this wonderful? The frog is giving flowers to a fish. Can you see the fish? Please point towards the fish. That's great. Now point towards the frog, please. Yes. Can you see the flowers? That's great. These are the flowers. The frog is giving flowers to a fish. They both look very happy. Isn't it? Looks like the fish swam away. Trace the trail to help the frog reach its friend, the fish. Help the frog hop towards the fish. Trace the trail with your finger. You're doing so well. That's great, you just helped the frog and fish to meet again. They both look so happy. Take a picture of a fish and fill it with pencil peels beautifully. Ask help from your teacher to provide you with pencil peels. That's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next video with the letter G. Until then, take care. Bye.